Hi, welcome to our channel, Mars Learning Club. This is me, Adam, and this is my sister.
Hi, my name is Ruby.
Today, we are learning weather in British Sign Language, or BSL for short. Let's start. Weather.
Weather.
Sun.
Sun.
Rain.
Rain.
Snow.
Snow.
Ice.
Ice.
Foggy.
Foggy.
Cold.
Cold.
Hot.
Hot.
Warm.
Warm.
Cloud.
Cloud.
Wind.
Wind.
Lightning.
Lightning.
Rainbow.
Rainbow.
Thank you for watching our video. Please stay with us to learn more new things.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, Mars Learning Club. Thank you. Bye.
Bye!